Hello viewers, welcome to my channels Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today, the beautiful young American actress, handsome, attractive, charming, and talented Jack Garfield. Jack Davis Garfield is an American actor. He starred as Max Thunderman on the Nickelodeon series of Thunderman. Garfield also had starring roles in the network original movie Gen X and Subletting Adams and the Netflix original series Alexa and Katie. Born December 11, 1996, now the age of 24. United States, height of 1.73 m. Full name Jack Davis Garfield. Nominations: Kids' Choice Award for Favorite TV Actor, Kids' Choice Award for Favorite Male TV Star, Kids Show, Movies and TV Shows, The Thunder 2013 to 2018, Gen X 2013, Alexa and Katie 2018 to 2020, Sapling Adams 2015, the second 2020. Profiles: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. My viewers, ladies and gentlemen, young and old, to see my video to full, mostly pics of action, romance, and ceremonies. The beautiful quotes of famous quotes: the greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't to be trapped by dogma, which is living with the result of others people's thinking. If life were predicable, it would cause to be life and be without flavor. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. If you set your goal ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plan. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without living hyper. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like my hero, just like everyone else. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seed that you plant. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Tell me and forget, touch me and remember, involve me and learn. The best and most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched they must be felt with the heart. It is during our dark, darkest moment that we must focus to see light. Whatever to is happy will make other happy too. Don't go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is the path and leave a trail. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang. Tell me and I forget. Touch me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. The best and most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. It is during our darkest moment that we must focus to see the light. Whoever is happy will make other happy too. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. In the end, it's not the year in your life that count. It's the life in your ear. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Many of life failure are people who didn't realize how close